So today we will do a program that will tell your age by years and months by calculating today's date and your birth date. So first up, let's open the Dev C++. So the logic of the program is already provided by my professor. Thank you. For so first up here on the upper is your identification. So you the required information, name, first up is name. So it's very important so that the people who will open this program will know who did it. So program name, and here is my section VC2. You can write anything, your name, where you live, your school. So this part right here, this is the information that tells you what the program does. So the program h.cpp prompts the user to input today's date and his or her birth date, then calculates and displays the user's age. The program utilizes user-defined functions, so we will have to she will have she will be using functions later. The days the dates are entered in integer format for month and year, and age described in months and years is displayed. So this is the supposed to be the result of the program. There, this is the studio display here, and this is where you search today's 4-digit year and today's month number, and this is where he or she will input his or her birth date and birth year. This is the birth month. So if you entered today's 4-digit 2003 and today's month number 07 and your birth date 1981, the month number, the birth month is 02, you are you are 22 years and 5 months old. So here, this part, we will be using a loop that states, do you want to enter more data, yes or no? So if you enter yes, then program will ask you again about the birth year and the birth month. So until you say no. First is the header files. So the correct preprocessor directives for input or output is definitely sharp with ISG, the most basic one. So that namespace std always a must. So here is user-defined function prototypes. Since I already said that we will be using functions. There will be two functions for getting a value here, for whatever you input here, and the get letter for whatever you input here. So let's define that. So here the function get value returns an integer value entered by the user in response to the string message. So it's an integer value. Here you will be any message. The next one is delete that. Next function is the get letter. It's a char value since we'll be only using one letter. So char get letter string message. So that's for the function prototypes. So let's go to the main. So the first thing you do is declaring the variables. Definitely. So whatever variable that you will use in this program, you should declare first. So we'll be using 6 integer variables, which is this year, this month, year, month, age year, and age months. And one character variable for the loop. This integer variable is for whatever you input in the here, whatever you input here. So that's for that. This month, the year, the month, and age year, and lastly the and one char value. So let's move on. This here is this right here is this part right here. So it's a simple see out that see out, and it's an instruction and an information when you open this program. Let's skip here. It's assigning the variable this year to the value when you get a value um, from this part this year. So whatever you input here, and then it will be assigned to the variable this year. So let's assign that get value. So the string message is enter today's 4-digit year. Enter today's 4. Just type the enter today's 4-digit year. Then the next one is the today's month number. So it's the same format from from this year. So let's time this month to get, and you call the function get value, and you will display enter today's month number. There. So let's delete that. So this is the loop that we will use. Let's leave that for later. So let's first assign the year returned from all to get value. So that this part is this part here in your program. Same format from here. Let's assign that. So year is it. So it says here enter the 4-digit year of your birth. It's 4-digit year of your birth. next one is the month. So this part is this part here on your program. So it says here, enter the month number of your birth. Same format, month. So to get value, enter the month number of your birth. So let's delete. So let's here this part where you calculate your age here. So basically, how do you calculate your age year and your age month? It's simply this year minus your birth year. That will be equal to your age year. And same for the month. This month is minus to your birth month. That will calculate to your age month. So let's have an example. Example, this year is 2016 and your birth year is 1997. That will be equal to 19. And this month, let's say this is October minus your age month 9, and then that will be equal to 1 month. To mean that you have lived 19 years and 1 month already. But this what if the today's month is less than your age month, just like January. Let's say 20, 2016, the year is 2016, and the year is 1998, and this month, let's say January minus October. So 2016 year will be equal to 8, but the month will be equal to negative 9. Negative 9, and so there's no negative 9 in our months. So what you do is just plus 1 year here, so it will be 17, and you just add year here. Negative 9 plus 12 months is 3 months. So if you haven't haven't have had a birthday yet. So let's apply this logic here. So what I've just said is if this month is less than 0, then you just have to then the resulting your age year will be equal to this year minus your birth year minus 1, since this so it have an 8th month that is equal to this month your birth month plus a year. Okay. So if this month is greater than the month, then we just have to calculate your age year is equal to this year. So for else, it's just age year is equal to this year minus your minus the your year. No minus, no needed for -1. For the age month, same. Plus 12 just this month minus your birth month. Whatever calculated data you get here, you will see out that. So see out, it says here you are then your age here, and you years or the month for the month and each months old. So for the last part of our main is the loop. So first you have to ask your user to input whether he or she to add more data or yes or no. So we use the function letter here, get letter. So whatever he or she inputs will be received by the function get letter. Then we put this on a do while loop. So we should put here the do and let's erase this. Here will be the while. So next is the function value. So whatever you input here, use here, the using the get value, it will be received here and returned to this condition. So it's as simple as first you have to declare variable the one will you will use. So I will use the integer value. Then you see out whatever message we put here. Then whatever we answered here, enter the 4-digit year of your birth, 2016. You see in that, and then you return the same goes for for the function get letter. You first declare your variable, which is get, and you see in I see message here. See out this, then see in whether it's a yes or no. Then you return at that. answer. So that's pretty much it. Mm, this part is let's me let me give you an overview. This function is the letter, and this function is the get value. So this is your main program, which indicates the instructions. Then there's a computation, which is loop. So let's compile that. Let's compile that, and there's no error. So this is the program itself. Let's test. Enter today's 4-digit year. Today is 2016. Month number is January. And let's use my birth date, 1998. And my month is October. So I'm 17 years old and 3 months. Let's and let's check the loop. Then yeah, it's pretty much working. So that's the end of it. Thank you.